Students, in previous video you have learned about parts of a bird's body. Now in this video we will learn about feet and claws of the bird and homes of birds. Feet and claws of birds. Birds use their feet and claws to walk, hop and sit on the branches of the tree. They also help the birds to catch and hold their food. Preying birds like vultures and eagles have sharp claws with curved nails called talons to kill their prey and tear the flesh. Scratching birds like hens and peacocks have sharp claws and strong legs. These help them to scratch the ground to look for seeds and worms. Students, birds use their feet and claws in walking, climbing, holding foods, swimming and perching. Birds use their claws for self-defense. Also, the shape of their feet and claws depend on their food habit. Homes of birds. A nest is a home of a bird. Nests are a shelter for their eggs and young ones. Birds lay their eggs in a nest. The eggs hatch and the young ones come out. Student, a nest is a home of a bird. Homes of birds are protective places for them. Homes protects them from cold, heat, rain and attack of enemies. Types of nest. Birds use a variety of things to build their nest. Cloth, leaves, straw, wool, threads and twigs are some commonly used materials. Student, different birds make their nests using different materials. Some gather sticks, grass and leaves, while others use tree branches, mud, stones or even their own saliva. Weaver bird's nest. Weaver bird weaves its nest from grass and leaves. It has a slight vent inside it which prevents the eggs from falling. Students, weaver bird weaves its nest from grass and leaves. Vulture's nest. Vultures use sticks to make nest in tall trees. The nest of a vulture looks like a shallow cup. Students, vultures use stick to make nest in tall trees. Their nest looks like a shallow cup. Tailor bird's nest. Tailor bird makes its nest with leaves. It uses its beak as a needle to sew the leaves using thread and wool. Woodpecker's nest. Woodpeckers make their nest in tree trunks with the help of their beaks. Sparrow's nest. Sparrows and pigeons build their nest on ventilators, roofs of houses and other places. Students, sparrows build its nest on ventilators, roof of houses and other places. Kingfisher's nest. Kingfishers make a hole along the bank of a river and use it as a nest. Sounds of birds. Most birds make noises and sounds that scientists have been able to group into two types. Calls are short tunes that are used to give warning to other birds. Songs are longer tunes with repeated sound patterns that make them sound musical. What word sounds mean? Calls. I have found food. I am worried. Look out, there is a flying predator. Don't disturb, this is my territory. Songs. I am lovely. I am so happy. I am singing a song. Students, most words make noises and sound that scientists have been able to group into two types. Calls, songs. Care for birds. Never touch eggs in a bird's nest. Do not touch or move a bird's nest. Do not pick up a baby bird from the nest. Students, we should not pick up a baby bird from the nest. We should not touch eggs in a bird's nest. Students, you read the lesson carefully at home. Thank you.